Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make stickers. So let's start. For this craft, you'll need some parchment paper, some scissors, some tape, and any kind of paper with some kind of design on them, because you probably don't want to be hand drawing your stickers. So let's start making. So first, what you're going to do, you're going to get one of your pieces of paper. You're going to cut out one of the images. So now I have cut out my teeny tiny image. You're going to place it right on the side. Now you're going to get your tape and you're going to pull out some pieces. So then one by one, you get your pieces of tape and you lay it on the parchment paper. The reason parchment paper is because parchment paper will not actually stick onto the tape. So then after you have got your other piece, you're going to get your other piece. Oh my god, you guys can see. Okay, now you can kind of see the tape. I'm kind of just going to lay it over the other piece of tape, but also not. So it's kind of like you're forming a big piece of tape with little pieces of tape. So then you get my next piece and you lay it on top. So basically, when you lift up your tape, it should be all joint, like this. Now you could lay that facing down. You can get your image. You can place that on top of all your tape. There it is. Now you get some more tape. And now you get each piece of tape one by one, and you're going to just gently place it on top. So on top of your image, and it also needs to be touching the tape that you've got down on the bottom. So just cover that up with some tape. And now I'm getting my last piece. Okay, there. After you have got that, it should all come up in one piece. And this should be like a clear coat on top of your image. Next, you're going to cut out your image, but wait, I have done this mistake before. Make sure you leave a slight clear border with the tape around so it actually sticks together and the image doesn't just pop out of all the tape. Now I have got my mini sticker and you can see how I left a tiny border of tape around it.